Although the drinking water produced by the Water Services Corporation meets all the relative WHO, EU and Maltese standards, its taste, however, has been the centre of debate for decades. The chlorides and minerals in the final blended water supplied to customers give tap water a hard taste. The Water Services Corporation has started a number of important upgrade projects that will increase tap water quality and encourage more people to use it for drinking purposes, rather than resorting to bottled water. Moreover, and more importantly, this process will lead to much better efficiency, both in terms of production and distribution, and also in relation to the sustainable management of the aquifer. These wide-ranging and complementary EU-funded projects, amounting to over 130 million euros, will revolutionize the way water is produced and distributed across Malta and Gozo. Let's have a closer look. 1. An upgrade of all RO plants to increase efficiency, capacity, and product quality. Reverse osmosis specific energy requirements will go down by 8.1%. 2. A reduction of 4 billion litres per year in terms of the corporation's groundwater abstraction figure will be registered. 3. Spatially dispersed and electronically controlled groundwater abstraction to improve quality and further safeguard the aquifer. So rather than abstracting groundwater from a few boreholes and galleries, many more boreholes will be brought online. Real-time remote monitoring will ensure optimum operational needs and aquifer condition. 4. A new RO plant is being built in Honda Arumin in Gozo, housed in an existing building to avoid environmental issues. It will produce 9 million litres of water a day, eliminating the dependence on an existing undersea pipe from Cherkawa. Gozo residents can also expect better tap water, whilst groundwater abstraction will be drastically reduced. 5. Malta will see an overhaul of the distribution and blending system. A large underground tunnel is being drilled from Pembroke RO to the Ta'ali group of reservoirs. This 9.4-kilometre tunnel will have a 1,200mm diameter main to convey pure desalinated water to Ta'ali to increase groundwater blending potential. Another 800mm pipe will convey blended water back to the central part of the island, where a centralized hub feeding via gravity and boosters will give quality water to consumers effectively and efficiently. Because the pumped water from Pembroke to Ta'ali will rise only around 100 meters, instead of the current 125 meters. The corporation will save around 3.5 gigawatts of energy and 400,000 euros per annum at current energy prices. This increased efficiency will mean around 1,800 tons less CO2 into the atmosphere every year. This new connection between Pembroke and Ta'ali will drastically reduce lime dosing. At present, ultra-pure desalinated water, which is slightly acidic, is treated with lime and alkaline to neutralize its corrosiveness. However, the corporation will now be able to pump this aggressive desalinated water to Ta'ali, where it will be blended with groundwater which is naturally alkaline, thereby eliminating the need for current dosing models. This simple and elegant solution will bring about significant savings and better environmental performance. 6. New potable water mains are being laid in the Sajiwi area to feed consumers with high-quality blended water, which will become available through the already mentioned projects. 7. Boreholes in the Sajiwi area will be combined and their output transferred to reservoirs to be blended with reverse osmosis water. 8. Second-class new water production has increased and more distribution mains laid to ensure its widespread use instead of groundwater, with a production of 7 billion litres of new water and over 400 dispensers for agricultural use. This will be a game-changer in the management of Malta's aquifer, safeguarding the water table for future generations. A number of projects to rectify problems in the sewer network are also underway. 1. Sewer extensions and upgrading to minimize sewage exfiltration to improve the quality of groundwater. 2. Sewer mains laid below sea level will be upgraded to reduce seawater intrusion, meaning less saline sewage reaching the treatment plants. This upgrade will reduce pumping losses and the energy required to produce this new resource. 3. New discharge monitoring stations will ensure the quality of discharges into sewers with the aim of reducing the overall cost of wastewater management. All these measures will lead to better availability of new water and hence less dependency on groundwater for irrigation purposes. Better quality groundwater, together with the aforementioned projects, will mean that the Water Services Corporation will give its customers water of such a high quality and good taste that bottled water use can drop. To summarize, this project that will surpass the Euro 135 million mark addresses the main blocks of the Water Services Corporation's operational cycle, namely water production and distribution, wastewater collection, treatment and water reuse. Overall, it will substantially increase the quality of tap water, reduce carbon emissions, increase efficiencies, and safeguard Malta's groundwater resources.